What's going on, guys? Aaron from D.R.G Gaming and Bushcraft here. If you haven't noticed, I haven't been posting for the last week and a bit. I've actually been extremely sick. Yeah, we're starting to come to the other side of it now, so videos should resume quite soon. As you can see, we're already set up to do a bit of easy stuff and try and get back into it for you as soon as possible. Also, in the next few videos, there's going to be a giveaway, guys. We've got a couple of Fresnel lenses. These guys, if you've been watching my videos, will just see me actually use these. I've got two of these to give away. You got to be following on, well, subscribed on YouTube, and I'm going to announce more pretty soon. But yeah, no, it's completely free, all postage, everything paid worldwide. And yeah, but I'll put another video up soon and let you know exactly how to win and what to do and that sort of thing. So, but cheers for sticking around and checking out our videos. Appreciate it. If you haven't already, then you know, go click the sub button, all that jazz, and that sort of thing. In not this weekend coming, but the following weekend, so the 25th of June 2021. I'll have to delete this video once she's all done, but we have a massive live event on Twitch where we're actually going to be going out into the wilderness and surviving for a few days with nothing but a knife and a ferro rod. So we're going to be building shelter and doing a lot of these cool things that you used to see me doing and that sort of thing. So feel free to come check us out and D.R.G Gaming on Twitch. Yeah, otherwise, if you just want more content and just want to check out some cool stuff that we're doing and keep up to date with everything, make sure that you're following us on Instagram, guys. It's just D.R.G Gaming and Bushcraft. So I've got to come up with a better name, but yeah, but I'm not going. Just extremely ill, and yeah, we're getting there, guys. We're healing up fine. It's not coronavirus either. Jesus Christ, man, the amount of people. Have you got the coronavirus? Nah, mate, I haven't got the coronavirus. So. But we'll be back very soon. But cheers for sticking around. Appreciate you. You'll take it easy, and I'll catch you on the next one.